How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies. Today we're taking out the Team Corally Sketer. We're going to run it again on 4S. We're going to take it to a new skate park. We're going to go out to Sandstone Ranch here in Longmont, and we're going to send it into the deep bowls. And they have a really, really big box jump that we're going to try to send it and get some big air with. So let's cut over to Sandstone Ranch and see what we can do with the Sketer. All right, everybody, we're out here at Sandstone Ranch with the Sketer. Here's a look at the top section. A little concrete street area. This is the big jump. Sorry about the road noise. This place is right next to a highway. It's one of the nicer skate parks in the area, but it's always a little bit loud with cars. But it's a big box jump. That thing's a 5-foot tall box jump. It's about 12 feet long. 7-foot tall quarter pipe. So that thing's ridiculous. You walk over this way, there's a little bit over here. And then there's the bowls here in the back. This is probably a little too deep and covered in snow right now, but we'll try to drive in it a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, we've got that spine in the middle. There's the highway. See everybody driving by. It's deep over on this end. And then they've got the 10-foot or 12-foot, whatever they call this. And it's really deep in that corner as well. So we'll do our best to drive around. The back bowl is way too deep to drive in. So we'll do our best. So let's have some fun. All right, everybody, we are back after a big send it session at the skate park. I'm back with a little bit of a damage report. Again, nothing too crazy. First and foremost, the pinion gear slipped again off the motor after some big impacts, which is pretty typical at skate parks. Anytime you send these trucks that high, damages are likely to occur. But I want to show you guys the main thing that happened up here on the front of the car. As you can see right here on the front, the entire hinge pin came out. I think it popped out of the holder and popped out of this brace entirely. I'm going to have to get in there and inspect and see if I did any damage like further or deeper into the car. But I think I can just pop those back in and get it back up and running. If that's the case, really cool, and we'll be back here in just a second with the fix. If not, I will tell you what I actually ended up breaking and let you know what parts I actually ended up needing to order. All right, everybody, we're back from that 4S run with the Team Corally Sketer. We did manage to do a little bit of damage to the truck. As you can see in that last clip, I had the part numbers there listed on the screen of what we actually broke. It ended up being a top chassis plate, brace, and one of the lower chassis supports, one of the plastic chassis supports. So that's what we ended up breaking on the Team Corally. It's just down for a couple of more days until some parts show up, but they are in the mail and they are on the way. So we will have this thing back up and running in no time. Other than that, we just have to move the pinion back into place and it'll be good to go. So, I mean, as big as we were sending that truck, realistically, things were going to happen. I mean, we were launching that thing 20 feet in the air to the concrete. So things happen when you jump that big. We have the parts coming. It is what it is, and we're going to move on. In other news, I just want to let you guys know that we did have a security issue with our Instagram page. So for the time being, please disregard the Troy's Hobbies Instagram page. In the future, we may have another page for you to follow, depending on what we can do with security protocols and things like that. We had a hacker get through on our site and pretty much screwed everything up. So for the time being, disregard Troy's Hobbies on Instagram. That's not the real Troy. I don't do Bitcoin, so that's not me. We'll have another page soon, and I'll announce that on the YouTube videos going forward. So for the time being, you can find me on Facebook on my page there. And just send me comments and things like that on the YouTube. And that'll be it for today, you guys. So thanks for watching. Later.